Do you wish to level up your Python skills? Do you wish to learn Python's advanced features, which will help you write better code, design complex applications and libraries? With this advanced Python series, we will take you on a journey which will turn you into a pro Pythonista in no time. These videos will teach you concepts such as data model methods, decorators, properties, descriptors, data classes, abstract-based classes, context managers, exceptions and logging, metaprogramming, and much, much more. Before into the series, make sure you know the basics of Python, such as conditionals, looping, lists, dictionaries, sets, functions, and basic object-oriented programming. In these videos, we will dive into each concept, do some practice questions, and also build projects to solidify the understanding. You will learn best by practicing and coding along, so get your IDE or text editor ready. That's it for the intro, guys. Please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. At Kickstart Learn, we provide live instructor-led courses in programming, data analytics, data science, machine learning, and more for non-programmers to advanced developers. You can attend these courses from the comfort of your home. You will earn a certificate, complete and deploy capstone projects, which add a lot of value to your resume. For further details and to check out our other educational and free resources, please visit kickstartlearn.com.